Okay, everybody, it is No Makeup Sunday, and I don't know if you watched, but earlier I went and I did my shopping at Whole Foods, and I got all of my meals for the week, and it came to about $86. I'm probably going to get at least 7 or 8 meals out of that. Sometimes I have protein and veggies at lunch, sometimes I have them at dinner, sometimes I split them up. So most of the time I like to eat my main meal in the middle of the day around 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I eat something super light in the evening. But I will be sharing with you my recipes that I'm going to make throughout the week. And the first thing I did when I got home and unpacked all of my veggies is I put the whole chicken in the pot, filled it over with water and boiled it down, got rid of the first batch of water with all the fat in it, and of course I took the skin off before I put the whole chicken in. And then for about 2 more hours I slowly, probably on like medium, I cooked the chicken, making sure I add more water so that it's always covered. And then I take that water, and that's what I use as the chicken soup actual broth recipe, and I will add some celery to that. I'll add pepper, salt. I love ginger, so I use some dried ginger in there, or you can use fresh ginger. I cut up garlic, and I make my broth, and then I have some broth for cooking with during the week, and then also I use that for some soup. So 1 or 2 of my meals during the week will be some chicken soup, or I'll add that to my stir fries. I'll take the chicken, put it on top of my salads. So it's gives you a variety of different things you can use during the week. Variety is the spice of life. Do not eat the same things every single day. When you do that, you're going to tend to get bored. You're going to get to that place where you just give up because you're so sick of eating the same thing. Remember that the things that we are eating in phase 1 are going to be 80% of our diet when we get to maintenance. So 18 out of 21 meals are going to be fiber and protein based in order to make that complete lifestyle change and get yourself to a place where you easily maintain your weight. And that's the whole point of this, is to use ideal protein as a process to get to maintenance and to learn how to cook real whole foods and keep everything in balance, to keep your carbs, fats, and proteins in balance. Occasional indulgences are, just a part of life and a part of the journey. So I encourage you to get to your goal first, and then we'll talk about maintenance and learn how to maintain weight easily and simply. And yes, it is an everyday, choice. You're making a choice to stay on track, to maintain your weight, not to gain your weight back, and knowing that, once you get past the first year of losing weight, it's a 50% chance that you're never going back. Once you get past the 5 years, you're never going back. But just keep going down that road. And remember, if there's a bump in the journey, just get right back on. Don't stop because you had a bump in the journey. Don't stop because you ate something off plan. Don't stop because you ate 3 days off plan, or a week off plan, or a month off plan. Get back on plan. Go talk to your coach. Use the accountability systems that we've put in place for you. So you have videos to watch on a daily basis. You have your coach to check in with, and every coach is different, but my clients can text me any day of the week and I will respond even on my days off. Unless I'm sleeping, I'm going to text you back. If we need to set up a phone call during the week, we do that. If I need to respond to emails, I do that. So that's how we work together, but you have to do your part and actually show up, have accountability, come in every week, whether you think you're going to like the number or not. Weigh in every week. Don't skip your weigh in and just decide that you just want to buy food, because that's not helping the process. We have to just really face up all the time to whatever it is that goes on in our life. And there's nothing wrong with the road being up and down. As we get closer and closer to our goal, and also as we get better and better at maintaining our weight, our journey goes from these kind of ups and downs to these kind of ups and downs, because we're all going to have ups and downs. So I encourage you to try cooking chicken soup, try cooking a whole chicken. You have it on hand all week long. You can also bake a whole chicken. It's super simple, super easy, and I will put the recipe down below. Send me your comments and likes, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. That's the only way to see what's the newest video and information that we're putting out there to help you be more successful. So here we go. I'm going to show you my soup now. Here is my chicken soup, and I am just boiling it. I like to boil for a couple of hours and get it nice and flavorful. I have now added some of my meat to a bowl of broth, and that's what I'm going to have for lunch. So try it, make it, enjoy it, and send us your comments, likes, and subscribes.